friends, welcome back. Today we are going to make a Mexican chicken dish.
So this Mexican chicken you can use in any Mexican food such as chicken tacos, chicken burrito bowl, chicken quesadillas, chicken fajita. There's a whole list you can make this dish with.
So let's begin with the marination. For marination, we're using chicken. We use 450 grams of chicken, which is equal to 1 pound. Now my dad cut some nice slits in the chicken so all the spices get inside and give it some good flavor. And now we had taco seasoning. I use this taco seasoning. And then we had salt, garlic ginger paste, cilantro or coriander leaves, and then we added some red pepper flakes. Now let's start mixing it. Now first we're going to get our chicken. And we're going to add them to this. Now we're going to add our spices. Now we're going to add a little squirt of lemon juice. That's enough, we don't want to add too much. Then we're going to close this. You need to close it tightly so nothing gets out. Now we're going to mix it. Mix it very nicely. Now that's enough mixing. Now we're going to keep it in our fridge for marination for 1 hour. Now we're going to check it later. The chicken has now been marinating for 1 hour, and as you can see, the spices have soaked into the chicken. The marination process is very important.
So here we have our pan. It's heated to medium flame and it's already hot. So let's put our oil. And we have just like 1 tablespoon oil. And then we're gonna take our 3 chicken pieces and add them.
Now you need to cook this for 8 minutes and flip it in between.
And we'll show you what it looks like when it's done.
Now the chicken's ready.
So you can use this chicken. Here we have it shredded, and you can use it just like this in tacos or any Mexican dish, or you can cut it into a different size and eat it plain. It tastes good either way. So now let's try.
It's delicioso. I would definitely recommend for you guys to try this.
And it's juicy, and since the spice is soaked in for an hour, you get the nice taco taste, taco seasoning taste. And we will be posting more videos about dishes you can make with this type of chicken.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our Food and Fun with Kids channel.